thing, then I already cut myself. Wow. See that? Actually crazy. Manual quick start guide. Blah blah blah, we don't need that shit. Keyboard. It's a nice little keyboard. Ibuypower Aries M1 gaming keyboard. Spill resistant. Alright, cool. What's next? Well, let's flip this over. I swear, if this shit came broken or any pieces or missing pieces, I'd be mad. Hello? Hello?
I ain't coming over here no more. I ain't saying hi. I ain't do nothing. I ain't doing nothing.
Zeus E2 optical gaming mouse. Looks pretty cool. Not too bad, better than the keyboard. Let's see this PC. It's one off. It's two off. Is it? Oh. Here it is. What the fuck? Okay, it does go like this. The plastic, you got the Ibuypower logo right here, as you can see it. Okay. Okay, thank God that was plastic. I thought it was broken. I thought this was, I was like, what the hell? So I turn up. That's the back. Remove this. Wow. And I'm gonna show you guys how it looks all powered up and in my setup. Yeah. So here's my setup. Got the PC down there. Ignore all the cables, I'll fix that later. This is my GTR race gaming chair. Got it about like 2 years ago for like $160. It's on Amazon. It's a great chair. Held it for a long time. These are my Astros A40s, tournament ready ones. If you're like any sound whoring or like you like, these are just really good for sound. Here's my Red Dragon keyboard with my Razer mouse. I believe it's called the Death Adder, something like that. With the white, going with the white mouse and white keyboard because my desk is white. For the LEDs, that's my PS4, which I'm not using anymore. My dual monitors. The one on the left is a BenQ 144 Hz, 1 millisecond response time. And the one on the right is 60 frames per second. I believe it's 2 millisecond response time. But I use that for PS4, but now on PC I'm using this 144. Oh yeah, and this is my Blue Snowball USB mic. It's solid, you know, using it for now, but yeah. That's pretty much it. Here's another look at my new gaming PC. Got the 3 fans in the front, in the back. It just cycles through all the colors. Honestly looks really cool. And if you're thinking about getting a desk or wondering where the desk is from, this is the IKEA Linmon. I'm pretty sure you've seen it somewhere. It's really good. It's affordable. And these are the Olaf legs, the adjustable ones, because the other ones weren't in stock. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed.
So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like and subscribe, and follow me on Twitch for daily streams. I'm currently playing Valorant. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time. Oh yeah, quick, before we leave. It's my boy Buzz Lightyear. Hangs out in the setup.